How to get verified on Instagram in 2021. If you want to know how to get verified on Instagram, you have come to the right place. In this video, we'll tell you how to apply for Instagram verification and provide some tips to help you qualify. You may have noticed that some accounts or brands you follow have a small badge next to their names. This is a badge of authenticity, which lets users know that the account is genuine or official. Hey guys, my name is Sumit from Paper Video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational videos. You can also turn on notifications by clicking on the bell button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Now, what does Instagram verification mean? Instagram verification is how you prove that your Instagram account is the authentic presence of a notable public figure, celebrity, or global brand. You have probably seen plenty of verification badges around, as with Twitter, Facebook, and yes, Tinder. The little blue check marks are meant to indicate that the platform has confirmed the account in question is trustworthy, or at least they are who they say they are. These badges are designed to make the real account stand out so that Instagram users can be sure they are following to the right person or brand. They are easy to spot in search results and on profiles, and they convey authority. It's easy to see why verification badges are also a coveted status symbol. They are rare, and exclusivity lends a certain amount of prestige, which may or may not translate to better engagement. That said, Instagram is clear that verified accounts, just like business accounts, don't get special treatment from Instagram algorithm. In other words, if it is true that verified accounts earn higher engagement on average, it's because they are posting great content that resonates with their audience. Who is eligible to be Instagram verified? Anyone can apply to get verified on Instagram. However, Instagram is notoriously picky and in many ways mysterious about who gets verified. So if you're running an account that's right on the cusp of notable, how do you know if you met the criteria? Just because you have a blue checkmark on Twitter or Facebook, for instance, doesn't guarantee you will get one on Instagram. Instagram is blunt, saying that only some public figures, celebrities, and brands have verified badges on Instagram. In other words, only accounts with a high likelihood of being impersonated. Here's what we do know about eligibility. First, you must adhere to the network's terms of service and community guidelines. On the top of that, your account must meet each of these criteria. Authentic. Are you a natural person, registered business or brand? You cannot be a meme page or a fan account. Unique. Only one account per person or one business can get Instagram verified, except for language-specific accounts. Public. Private Instagram accounts do not qualify for verification. Complete. Do you have a full bio, profile photo, and at least one post? Notable. This is where things get subjective, but Instagram defines a noteworthy name as one that is well known and highly searched for. If you are relatively confident you meet these criteria, or you just feel like rolling the dice, it's time to go ahead and verify your Instagram account. Getting verified on Instagram is quite a simple process. First, go to your profile and tap the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Second, tap Settings. Third, tap Account. Fourth, tap Request Verification. Fill in the application form. According to Instagram, after the team reviews your application, you'll receive a response in your notification tab. Because of historical and ongoing issues with scammers, Instagram is very clear that they will never email you, ask for money, or otherwise reach out. Within a few days or a week, you'll receive a direct yes or a no feedback or explanation. So yes, anyone can apply for verification on Instagram, but getting approved is a lot tougher. Don't try to buy a verification badge. We'll get this one out of the way first. That guy in your comments who says his friend works for Instagram, please do not give him money. The same goes for any third-party app or random account that offers full refunds. The same goes for an account that DMs you because they want to sell you their badge because they don't need it anymore. Instagram scammers know that people and businesses feel outsized emotions about the blue checkmark, and some are pretty effective at appearing legit. So stay on your guard and remember that Instagram will never request payment and will never contact you. Get more real followers. Look, we don't have the numbers, but it honestly feels sometimes like you need a ridiculous number of followers to get verified. There is no evidence that this is a real rule, but it can't hurt. More likely, as people or brands get more noteworthy on and off Instagram, followers count rise alongside. Just don't try to take a shortcut and buy your Instagram followers. Plus, breaking the community guidelines and then asking Instagram to examine your account is a very effective way to get your account shut down. On the other hand, if you have a blue checkmark on your Facebook profile but not on your Instagram account, Instagram explicitly encourages you to link your Instagram account from your Facebook page to help you prove your authenticity. When it comes to verification, Instagram wants to know if people care about you enough to tear themselves away from the seductions of feed and spontaneously type your name into the search bar. While Instagram doesn't provide analytics on this data, we'd put money on the fact that Instagram verification team does have access and will check up on how often users are searching for you. Apply when your name is in the news. Google yourself. Has your brand been featured in multiple news resources? Does a recent press release or white paper get picked up? Do you have a sound bite or a profile in a major international publication? Paid or promotional content does not count. Conclusion: use your real name. Choose an appropriate category. Don't falsify any government documents. If you stretch the truth anywhere in your application, Instagram says that it will not only deny your request, but it may delete your account as well. If after all your hard work, Instagram comes back with a rejection, embrace the opportunity to zero in your goals and redouble your efforts. You can check out our blog How to Get Verified on Instagram and stay verified at papervideo.com/blog for more information. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Drop a comment below and tell us what topics you would like to learn more about. Thank you so much for watching.